In this video from Device Doctor, we unbox the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-C5890 printer. We show what is inside the box and how fast and well this printer works. Watch until the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When you open the box, you will find 4 ink cartridges, a sturdy paper tray, a driver installation CD, a power cable, and finally, the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-C5890 printer itself. Everything is safely packed and ready to help you start the setup with ease. We gently take the printer out of its plastic protective cover and begin removing all the extra adhesive tapes and packaging materials that are placed around different parts of the device. These protective elements are used to keep the printer safe during shipping. Removing them carefully is important to make sure nothing blocks the moving parts when we start the setup process. Make sure that no extra packaging materials or tapes are left inside the printer, especially around the print head area. It is very important to keep this part clean and free from any obstructions to ensure the printer works properly without any issues. After carefully removing all the protective tapes and packaging materials from the printer, the next step is to take the ink cartridges out of their individual boxes. Handle each cartridge gently and insert them one by one into the designated slots inside the printer. Make sure to press each cartridge firmly until you hear a click, confirming that it is securely locked in place. Proper installation is essential for smooth printing and to avoid any errors during operation. Now, turn on the printer and carefully follow the initial setup steps. The process is very simple and straightforward. Just take your time and make sure to complete each step fully to ensure the printer works perfectly. Now, you need to wait for the printer to complete its startup process. This may take around 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the printer will initialize and prepare itself for printing. Please be patient and avoid turning off the device.
rage on that beat, going crazy.
Once the printer has finished its startup process and is fully ready, it is very important to perform a nozzle check test. This test will show if all the ink nozzles are working correctly and if the print quality is good. By doing this, you can be sure that there are no blockages or other issues that might affect printing. If the test shows any problems, you can take steps to clean the nozzles or troubleshoot before starting your printing tasks. Now, we will show you the printer's real printing speed so you can see how well this device suits your needs. I assure you, the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-C5890 is one of Epson's best and most efficient printers. It can print thick paper up to 300 GSM at high speeds without any problems. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful reviews and tutorials. See you in the next video.